Daily activity. Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Gunawan Tambunsaribu from the International Relations Study Program. Every morning, I wake up at 5 and then take a shower. I have breakfast of fried rice and hot tea before going to campus. I walk to campus by chance that my boarding house and campus not that far away. While on campus, I usually talk to my friends before class starts. When class is over, I often eat in the canteen or bring lunch from home. I also like to take a short walk to get some fresh air around the campus. After eating in the cafeteria, I go to straight back to my boarding house. At the boarding house, I watch movies or read books to relax. Sometimes I also do gymnastics every afternoon. I also usually cook dinner myself or order food from outside. After dinner, I wash the dishes and clean the kitchen. Before going to bed, I usually take a shower first. After taking a shower, I continue to read a book or watch a movie for a while. After that, I pray before going to bed, and after I finish praying, I turn off the lights around 10 at night and sleep. That's how my daily life is simple but orderly. Thank you.